Hello everyone, my name is Advocate Jyotika Malhotra. In this video, I'll be talking about unlawful assembly. Unlawful assembly refers to a gathering or assembly of 5 or more people with a common intent to commit an illegal act or to carry out an act with the intention of disturbing public peace, tranquility, or engaging in violence. In many legal systems, including India, unlawful assembly is considered a criminal offence. The provisions related to unlawful assembly are primarily governed by sections 141 to 149 of the Indian Penal Code. According to section 141 of the IPC, an assembly of 5 or more persons becomes unlawful if its members have the common object of committing any of the following offences. First, an act that would be punishable as an offence under the IPC by death, imprisonment for life, or imprisonment for a term of 2 years or more. Second, an act that causes a person to fear that any member of the assembly will commit a breach of the peace or that any such breach of the peace will be committed in the presence of the assembly. Section 142 of the Indian Penal Code defines the punishment for being part of an unlawful assembly. It states that whoever is a member of such an assembly can be punished with an imprisonment for a term of up to 6 months or with a fine or with both. Additionally, if the assembly, after being ordered to disperse, does not disperse, any member of such an assembly can be punished with imprisonment for a term that may extend to 2 years or with a fine or with both as per section 143 of the Indian Penal Code. I hope this section was pretty much clear to all of you, and if you still have any more queries, please drop them in the comment section. Thank you.